What if you have 200 different sheets and you want to consolidate them into one single sheet? That was your lunch break, or is there a quicker way to do it? Of course, as you're here, I will show you how you can consolidate all these 200 sheets with values with one formula, and it's very, very easy. As you can see here, we have 200 different sheets. And it doesn't matter the name of the sheet. It doesn't matter how many rows with values you have in each sheet. So it's a very flexible way to consolidate them here into one sheet. And now let's get to it. So the function is relatively new and it's called vStack, and it's a function that vertically stacks array into one array. Does that mean that you need to go into each sheet and select each data? No, it does not. Let me show you. What you do is that you select the first array, so the first sheet that you have with data in it, and here you select A2 to B10. And you need to make sure that the length of the array will match the length of the array in each sheet. And it doesn't matter if you took 100 here. It will just mean that you will return a longer array, but then you can filter away the empty cells. In this scenario, all the arrays will be A2 to B10. Let's press enter, and here you have the first array with data. And now comes the magic. Here you see the reference to sheet 1. What you do now is that you put a colon of the reference to the name of the first sheet, and then you just type the name of the last sheet. When you press enter, you'll see that you have now stacked all cell A2 to B10 in all sheets between sheet 1 to 200 underneath each other. That's how easy it is to consolidate a lot of sheets into one sheet.